And I'm hearing this voice. I was sleeping in a church. It's a small room, a small piece of room. Then I heard this voice. It says, tell your men to wear white kurtas. Kurtas. I said, oh, Muslim men. Then I said, it's just a dream. He came again and again. And the last time, this voice became aggressive now. Tell your men. Then I went, it was a congregation. I said, now I'm going to these people, I'm going to tell them, let them believe. Then I went there. Then I told them, you know how Allah made it easy? They just accepted. All of them, giving the shahada with me. Ashhadu, Allah, ilaha, illallah. Yeah. He is the light. He is our light. He is my light. He is the light of this world. Let his light shine all over the world.